Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.